Welcome to Learnscaper's world of serious games. In partnership with Urban Brain Studios, creators of the simulation engine ChatMapper, we've created Gamescaper, a powerful authoring and publishing platform enabling you to create your own interactive conversations in video and audio for developing interpersonal communication and management skills. The realistic setting of video with human actors makes the simulation of authentic dialogue meaningful for the learner. A simple pedagogical procedure based on the perception and evaluation of behavior, including tone and emphasis of speech, combined with strategic decision-making allows learners to simulate a complete communication experience. Let's look at how it works. After an interactive introduction that provides background about the setting of the situation, in the first phase of work with a Gamescaper dialogue, the learner reacts to the character on the screen by choosing a reply. Replies are neither right nor wrong. They are designed to represent contrasting strategies and attitudes that may lead the conversation in different directions. When creating a conversation, the authors can design in typical well-intentioned professional mistakes alongside the best strategic decisions. Simulating the logic of real conversations, the reactions of the character on the screen will give the first indication of the effect of the learner's choice. The positive or negative conclusion of the conversation will depend on a series of choices. In this way, Gamescaper focuses on behavioral improvement rather than theory. But the theory can always be cited in the analysis phase following the simulation. Here is a typical sequence in Phase 1 of a simulation of a job interview when you are the applicant.
Hi, I'm Dick Stevenson. Come in. Take a seat.
Thank you. Where do you want me to sit? Where do you want me to sit?
Did you have any trouble getting here?
No, your instructions were very clear. Well, I came very early because I often get confused. But I only made one wrong turn. None at all. I always find my way, even when it's very difficult. No, your instructions were very clear.
Good. Well, I'm glad you're on time. Now, let me tell you a little bit about our company.
Yes, I'd like to know more. Actually, I already know a lot about the company. Yes, I'd like to know more.
Good. Well, we're an international company, originally American. We're nearly 100 years old. And up to now, we've concentrated mainly on the American markets. But in the future, we're planning to expand into Europe and Africa. Right now, we're number 3 in the world. But we hope to become number 2 very quickly. In the UK, we're working on marketing a new line of products for Europe.
By experiencing the reaction of the character in the situation, the user gets a visual idea of the impact of certain behavioral choices. At the same time, the program in the background evaluates the user's professional profile and performance thanks to a subtle and simple-to-use scoring and categorizing system in the scripted program. After constructing a complete conversation, successful or flawed, learners see the complete continuous film they have built and then go over each phase of dialogue to discover coaching points about the behavior they have chosen. For language learning, the analysis phase contains comments on the language and the style. Learnscaper is currently producing a series of simulated conversations in English and French focused on interpersonal and intercultural skills as well as language learning. Gamescaper is the powerful and easy-to-use tool that makes it possible for authors to create high-impact modules for training in interpersonal skills.